Okay. Hello, hello. Can everyone hear me? Can you all see me? So starting a bit late today. Just got in and new office, so just sorting out all of the technical issues. Um, oh, 1 second. Okay, and now, um, okay, so that's back. So good afternoon to everyone. Good afternoon. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining. Good afternoon to Achim, Joachim, Joseph, Jens, Andreas, Yalcin, Niels, Svenja, Ulrich, Frank. Thank you all for joining. And of course, a big warm welcome to everyone currently watching through the live stream channels. So at the moment, I'm just trying to set up everything that's going on, set up all of the charts and all of the Swiss boxes. One moment. Volabox, okay, we've got that one. Perfect. MTX can stay there. This one can go on the daily. Hold up. I'll switch over so you can see what I'm doing. Just setting up all of the charts right now. There we go. So just starting on a demo account this morning because we've got the currently on the other one the withdrawal is taking process, so I don't want to mess up the trades while that's actually in action. DAX, we want to open range on the DAX, and then on this one, we also want to have a vola box on gold. This one can also have a vola box on the DAX. On the FTSE, we want to have one vola box, and then we also want one open range breakout. Then over here, we also want one vola box and one open range DAX. And then we want two vola boxes for the open range breakout DAX. No, not open range breakout. Two vola boxes, sorry. And another vola box. Now we go through. So MTX needs trade manager. Okay, okay. Here we wanted daily, so that one doesn't actually need anything. That was just to take a look. Weekly, we need a Swiss box. Okay. Over here, we want a Swiss box. We could look okay. DAX, we're going to need to change the big number there. Magic number, sorry. Click OK. Sorry, guys, I should have been more prepared and got this done earlier on. However, last minute. 210, okay. Okay, US 30, we also want a Swiss box, normal one. And then we can change the magic number on this one. Okay, okay. And then we're going to need two more Swiss boxes, one there and one over here. Change that magic number. Okay, great. Now we've got them all set. Go down to the 5 minutes. There. Just get it all set up. So I was using the other demo. I tried to load the other demo account in, but the license expired on it. So, so we're gonna need to change this one as well. Oh, there's so much to set up. Okay, 1 second. Need to bring this over again. Over there. Ah, there we go. Oh, what is going on now? I'm back again. So 1.8. Click OK. Okay. Close. DAX. Gonna change this one to indicators list. Follow box. 12.5. This one indicated this on the FTSE, Volabox. 9. Tell you what, we don't have that much time actually. Let me just get across to the main ones that we're going to be using this afternoon, then we can set up the rest. 20, and then we go okay, close. And over here we want these two also. Volabox 12. Okay, close. And then over here as well, we want this one changed to close. So over here we want 12, and then we want 3, 8, 7, 6. Oh, same here. 1, 2, 3, 8, 7, 6. Okay. Dow Jones, we want 20, 3, 8, 7, 6. 1.8, 3, 8, and 6. Oh, and I think that's it. I think we're good to go. We're good to go. We've got 6 minutes. 6 minutes. And it all goes to the wrong screen here. Sorry about this, guys. And we're back again. Economic calendar, first of all. Let's have a look, see what's been going on. Lots of news. Wow, I haven't had a look at this today. Lots of news coming out today. Australian. We've got some German news coming out. European Union, balance of trade coming out in 5 minutes. Okay, wow. And then we've got a lot of American news coming out as well over the power hour. Still in pause mode. Can you see everyone? Hi Gigi, hello. Hope everyone can see now. So that is the economic calendar. Should be pretty lively this afternoon, I think. Let's go through and have a look at some trades. So MTX on the 5 minute, no signals, very good buy signal earlier on this morning at 35 past 9. However, let's go ahead and see if we can steal any. 1800 been surpassed there on gold. I'm going to set that big number up as the next trade. On the Dow Jones, we've got a very nice big number coming up there too. Going to set that big number as the next trade. And then here on the Nasdaq, let me just measure this really quick. I think we can make both of these vola boxes there for the Nasdaq. So they're going to be the next trades. We got the two vola boxes here on the Nasdaq. We've actually got the big number trade there on the Dow Jones. There is also a vola box there too. And then on gold we got that big number. So now that they're set up, I hope everyone's managed to follow there. Now that they're set up, maybe what we can do is we can go through 0.5, enter. And we'll just set up the rest of the charts now. Relaxed. 7.6. Set that one up nice. And then this one's changed to 12.5. Okay, so then we can go 12.5 here. Change the settings again. 7.6. Okay, perfect. And we got the FTSE, that's on 9. Okay, so we can change that to 9. Maybe we might even be able to get some other trades on the go, just because it's looking like it's pretty volatile today, actually. Some good movement from what I see here, just over the top. 3, 8. And then over here, 7.6. Okay, so set, US 30 here. We need to do this one, 2.0. And then here, so 3, 8. And then here too, 7.6. So that's all of them set up. Let me get the New Zealand dollar US dollar for the New Zealand dollar. There it is. We want mass template X, and then we want trade manager in there too. Thank you. Move that over there. Perfect. This one we want on the daily time frame for this, so we can set up everything else, and then we want to divide all of these open ranges, so that can stay there, that one can stay there, this one can go over there, open range, and then this one can come back over, and there, perfect. Oh, not what I wanted. And then this one can come over, and the daily can go over there. And what we're going to do, we're just going to save that. We're going to save these profile, TC24 charts. Okay, save. Now that's a profile. So now anytime that we lose those charts, we can just go back to the profile and open it back up. Really easy. We've got 1 minute left until the opening. Let's sneak a peek on what is going to be going down. So we've got an entrance into our first box on the Dow Jones. So opening box there, coming into the NASDAQ box also. So we've got a couple trades already loose. And there's the first trade in the Dow Jones. And we got 10 seconds, 17 seconds until the opening. Let's just take a look at the MTX there on the NASDAQ. Nope. Let's take a look at the Dow Jones. So first trade currently short in the Dow Jones. So could be approaching those all-time highs yet again. And there's the opening into the next trade. So there's the next trade. What I'll do on this chart here, the open range chart, I'm going to set up that next big number at the top. And there we have our first entrance into the NASDAQ Vola box, also currently short. And gold could be coming back down also. So currently 2 trades rolling through. And there we go on the NASDAQ coming with quite a strong candle towards the top. And then we have the third trade open on the Dow Jones. I'm going to move this stop loss on the top side, just above the that big number. One moment. Okay, back again. So where are we? So we've got currently 4 trades open on the Dow Jones. I'm going to extend that stop loss above the big number. I'm going to customize that target towards that next big number up the top, as that's where our next pending order is. And we have 2 trades currently open on our Vola box in the NASDAQ. So here comes the Dow Jones. So 2 minutes in, quite a volatile start there inside the range. However, there comes the NASDAQ creeping up the chart. And then I suppose what we can do is get rid of this Vola box here on the bottom. And then we can actually set that up over at the big number there. It should be the first trade of the day. So, yes, sorry for the late introductions. So busy there scrambling about getting everything sorted. Welcome. So, Monday afternoon here in Hamburg, 23rd of August. And yeah, a big warm welcome to everyone currently watching through the live stream channels and, of course, to all of our members inside the live trading room. We do have a little while yet before our news announcements are coming through. So we've got 11 minutes before the market composite numbers are coming out for the US dollar. So I'm guessing that that's going to be where the real movement is going to start shining through in the next 10 minutes. Yeah, usually these kind of announcements are coming out a little earlier. However, I have to wait and see. So Gyro super. Power hour. So guys, 10 minutes until the announcements are coming out. And there's a little nice jump there on the Dow Jones, pushing its way up to the original take profit here. So you know we've extended that take profit above. However, it's not that bad. We can actually just close it once it breaks down. If we're going to receive a pullback after we've surpassed that, then we can just activate this vola box here instead. And then we always have that pending order at the top anyway. So let's just go have a quick look over at the Nasdaq gold. Currently just the two trades open at the moment. So good question, Svenja. The other one is currently, so this one is just a demo. The other one is currently going through the withdrawal stage back down to the 15K from the 30 from last week. And as you know, while it's going through that stage, you don't want to place any trades and all of a sudden your margin be halved. And yeah, anytime that you're going through a withdrawal stage on your account, trade on the demo until it's complete. Otherwise, it's only going to cause problems for the Swiss box. As you know, all of the Swiss box is constantly working off of your account and its balance. So here comes the Nasdaq coming up to the take profit now. So there's the first trade close for the day. I'm just going to open up that next vola box there at the bottom as sort of the fail safe. We do have that big number waiting for us next. And over on the Dow Jones, still struggling to break above our, or even reach that original take profit there. No worries, Fenya. So not long left, I think. Let's check up 7 minutes. And then in 22 minutes, we've got more news coming out as well. So exciting times. So here we are. We've just breached past the original take profit now. We can actually unlock that. And then we can just poise ourselves for a manual exit should we need to. We'll take that one. Maybe a bit too premature there on the exit, but I'm going to activate that Vola box number there now. So 2 trades closed, 0.18% so far. Those are some good numbers, good numbers. And here we come up towards the big number on the Nasdaq. And there we are back into that Vola box. Like I said, try and catch a pullback down towards that Vola box so we get an entrance, and then we get the entrance back out. And hopefully towards that big number yet again. And then by the time we hit the take profit on the top side, it should enter into the next trade waiting for us at the top. So there we are, buy, and there's the next trade waiting for us at the top at the big number. So let's wait and see. Nasdaq still pushing its way up. And gold, maybe we'll get an entrance into the gold. Need to drop a few points yet, $3.50. So how was everyone's week last week? It was quite successful, I guess, for a few of you. Anyone have any numbers, any percentages from last week? I think we after everything we had done about maybe 1 point something percent for the week last week, just due to, wow, Jens, what have you been up to? This is crazy. Is that meant to be 1.3 or 13? But nice that you're doing well. Okay, nice. So we just got into the next trade on the Nasdaq there from the big number, currently short. And we're still in that first trade long from the Vola box in the Dow Jones, coming up to our next pending box at the big number. So I see there's a few new names in here. If anyone's got any questions about anything, yeah, don't hesitate to write in the questions. That's what the live room is here for at the end of the day, to clear any questions you may have, anything that you're not sure about. We can always go through it in the live room. No question's a stupid question. So maybe we're going to get this entry into the gold trade here at the big number. Could be a possibility. $2.70 away from hitting that entry. And we should be getting that 1 minute left. Okay. Bring it onto the side there. Oh. So it should start the countdown in just a moment. So nice drop there on the Dow Jones. 50 seconds until the release of the news. Now we got 20 seconds. And there it goes. 2 and 1. There we go. And another 15 minutes until the next news announcements are due. So second trade in on the Dow Jones, pushing back down below the big number there, 35.3. And it seems as though Nasdaq is going to be pushing this all-time highs. We're currently at the all-time high, I think. Yes. So we have actually hit our all-time high there on the Nasdaq. 15,200. Let's see if we break the 15.2 to create new all-time highs. And Dow Jones just stopping out here at the Fibonacci and the big number. Receiving quite a bit of support at that zone. 13 people. So as we can see here, just struggling to sort of break above that all-time high big number here on the Nasdaq. Got some real resistance from that area, and of course, quite a clear support from the big number on the Dow Jones, 35.3. I think the all-time high is nearer to the 36 on the Dow Jones. Let's have a look. Yep, 35.6. Yep. All-time high is just above 35.6. Over time, we should be going to new all-time highs either way. Just a matter of time. Sorry, guys. What's going on? Nobody's talking. But Yelchin is in there, but he didn't answer the phone. I tried to call him 3 times. Last week as well, he lost again. Romain lost 30K, but he seemed like really okay with it. Like he was like, oh, yeah. He made a lot, but he. Okay. So it's not that bad. Okay. 'Cause I was speaking to him, and he was like, yeah. I was like, oh, you made a mistake. You shouldn't have been trading at this time. And then he was like, yeah, I know, but better luck next time. I was like, nice. Dos. He's a difficult one. He wants you to call. I don't know what he wants. So just taking a look at the calendar again, 4 minutes until we got the existing home sales numbers coming out. And then if we don't get any movement from there, it might be a difficult one to tell. Gold, I'll close this pending box there, as doesn't look like, even if we get into it, doesn't look like we'll be getting out of it anytime soon. So it is Monday as well, so not a lot is expected from Mondays, but the news did look like it was pretty well. DAX had quite a good opening this morning, I can see. Very nice. However, not many Vola boxes available. Maybe a couple big number trades there. And now we're into the second trade on the Nasdaq. Yep, still here, Andreas. There's no tone. Just turned it off. Out of an 8, short hedging again on the 9th, Einsteig aus. Alright, try to get out of an 8, short hedging again on 9th, Einsteig aus. Now? Which one are you trading? Alright. Now 9th. But what market are you trading? Dow Jones. I guess that you're in this Vola box release, right? Yeah. hopefully that you're in towards this buy release. It's a bit difficult as it could come back down at any point really, as this is the new support zone. Yeah, hold it, take the entry off, and then just keep an eye on it. It could come down to the big number before it bounces back. So you just have to hedge that manually should it go up there. But not long. Hopefully we're gonna get back up towards the 35.4. And yeah, with the Nasdaq, all-time highs are being reached, so it could take a while before we reach, if we reach our take profit there. There's not much movement. Everything's a bit slow. A bit low, yeah. I have to sit down like this. But I don't know how you make it higher. No, this one's not electric. I think it's you have to screw these things around. So yeah, Ulrike could be in with a chance there. I think we just had that news release, in fact. Yes. So better than expected. Oh. Should be coming up, I reckon. Yep, exactly, Ulrike. So just keep that up. It should come. It looks like it should be coming up. So there's the close as well. Wow. Nasdaq really went for it there. Quite a strong candle pushing up. I reckon Dow Jones should be coming up, at least towards that take profit. I guess you've got take profit at the same level as where mine is at, maybe a bit further, 35,382. Yeah. Once you got that off, make sure that the next pending order is gone as well. And yeah, over time it should come up. But if it does fall too much, then you can always hedge that manually. I think what we'll do once we've got this trade closed on the Dow Jones, that will be it from us for this afternoon. Markets are a little slow. I mean, we don't need that much more. 30 points. See where the candle closes. So closed candles coming in 5. Mm. Just take a quick look over at Nasdaq. Really pushing for good new all-time highs here. Still wouldn't have had an entry in on gold. My guess is that now we've created this new all-time high. Maybe we'll make it up towards that fib, and then after that we'll probably have another retest of this all-time high big number here, 15.2. We'll wait and see. I'm just going to have a quick look out here on Dow Jones. Also a bit of a tricky one here. We can see this is the previous resistance right here where we're currently stopping out at from the 18th. So that would have been last week, Wednesday, if I'm right, or maybe Tuesday. This was the stop out point for that day, and then over there we can also see support zone. So it might be a little difficult. Like I said, Ulrich, if it turns around bad, what you can do is, while it's up at, yeah, you can either re-hedge the position. I mean, there's not a whole lot of volatility in there at all. I mean, maybe we're going to get another bounce off of that big number first. But I think we've closed 3 trades so far. So 3 trades closed, 0.25%. And then we come down towards the bottom. Yes, Akeem. Okay, all right. No worries if you've rehedged it. Can always revisit it tomorrow. Like I said, there's not much going on at the moment. You've still got 3 trades left, so it's not the worst thing in the world. Yeah, sorry it keeps interrupting there, Andreas. Maybe we'll have to configure some things into the software. And we're running around like headless chickens trying to fix it this afternoon. So let's see if we're going to get that push. There's a very, very slow process. Now we'll give it 5 more minutes. And yeah, if it's not closed after 5 minutes, then what we can do, we can just hedge the position or close it. I'll hedge it. I'm not sure I'll be using this tomorrow, but we can just hedge it just for fun. Can also put an auto hedge on there. My guess is that we should be coming up. It's taken us a long time to now retest this resistance zone. It's just a shame that that take profit is pretty much bang on the resistance line. So just to take a quick look, where are we sitting at with? uh, So Bitcoin over the 50K mark now. Remember that supporting zone is at the 51, just over the 51K. So I guess just like the Dow Jones here, Bitcoin is currently at that support resistance zone. Thanks for joining, Abiodun. A little late, but we're about to finish soon. Yeah, I'm not so sure, Ulrich. Don't do it now. I wouldn't do it. Just come and try. Don't try those manual things until there's absolutely no other choice. Or at least go onto the demo account first and just practice what you're thinking. This is the last minute now, so it seems that we just got a nice jump. Not so far away. And we're very close now to breaking the daily high. So there we come. Daily high is breaking. Very, very close now to our take profit. Finish when Nasdaq comes down. We're not so far away. 14 points. I think we're going to hedge this trade. And then we'll just get back at it tomorrow. Or I can actually close it when it comes into profit. If it comes into profit again. Tell you what, that's it. We're just going to hedge it. Happens every time. Just as I'm about to hedge, we start seeming like we're coming up for the close. Okay, no, we're going to hedge that trade. Hedged. And we'll revisit that tomorrow. We'll revisit that tomorrow, most definitely. So that will be it from us today. Not a lot. 2 pending orders. We need to delete those wherever they are. Don't want any surprises. And delete that one. Okay. So 3 trades closed, €25.43, profit 0.25% for the day so far. Just for the afternoon, a little slow, I know. Yeah, tomorrow should be a much better day. And we'll be back here, same time, same place as always. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Hope to see you all again back tomorrow, same time. And yeah, Abiodun, hopefully come a bit earlier tomorrow. But yeah, have a good afternoon, guys. Safe trading, and yeah, I'll catch you tomorrow.